The news moves fast.
We move faster.
I'm Sahiti.
And I'm Satya.
Welcome to V News. We turn now onto a deeply troubling development that many human rights observers are calling a defining movement for 2026. Afghanistan's ruling Taliban administration has formally introduced a new penal code. A 90-page document that critics say institutionalizes systematic discrimination against women.
The code has been officially approved by the Taliban supreme leader and is being enforced nationwide. Rights groups argue that the document marks a dramatic regression in legal protections, effectively stripping women of fundamental safeguards under criminal law.
One of the most controversial sections address what the code describes as discipline within the household. Under the new provisions, physical punishment by a husband is treated as a criminal offense only if it results in clearly visible injuries such as broken bones, opened wounds, or severe bruisings.
If no such visible injuries are documented, legal protection becomes virtually inaccessible. Even in cases involving serious harm, the burden of proof falls entirely on the woman, requiring her to present evidence before a court system that operates under strict guardianship norms.
Another provision drawing sharp criticism is introduction of differentiated sentencing based on the social status. The code outlines varying consequences depending on an individual's classification within society, including religious authorities, elites, middle strata, and the lower income groups.
Legal advisors say this undermines the foundational principle of equality before the law, creating disparities in punishment for identical offenses. For women, additional restrictions include penalties for leaving home without authorization, a measure that further narrows personal mobility and autonomy.
Since 2021, women in Afghanistan have already faced sweeping restrictions on education, employment, and public presence. This latest legal swift, observers say, moves beyond social regulation and into codified criminal enforcement.
International human rights organizations have described the development as a form of gender apartheid, urging the global community to reassess diplomatic engagement in the light of these legal changes.
The implications of this penal code extended beyond Afghanistan's border, raising urgent questions about the international accountability and the future of the women's rights under the Taliban governance.
As global attention intensifies, the enforcement of these provisions will likely shape the next phase of diplomatic and humanitarian debate.
We will continue to monitor the developments and bring you further analysis as this story unfolds. Thank you for watching V News.
Stay tuned for more updates.